Aloha friends, welcome to Casa Naturals and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make aloe cream hair moisturizer for strengthening your hair and to help promote hair growth if your hair is breaking. This is going to work wonders for you. So subscribe to our channel, give this video a like and comment in the section below. So you need some aloe. So aloe vera plant has been used for thousands of years ago, like as early as 1750 BC. There are actually more than 450 species of aloe vera. It is a second plant that grows in hot and dry climates around the world. It is beneficial for men's skin problems like wound, acne, burns. It's also good for hair. Aloe is also consumed as food in drinks and may have benefits for inflammatory bowel disease, diabetes, hepatitis, and more. So, but of course, there have been few scientific studies on its effects on hair or its benefits. In general, has been mixed, but this might be because it has many properties and active ingredients that can help your hair. So if you don't have a plant at home, you can use aloe vera juice if you so wish. So like I had just plucked one leaf because this type of aloe has a lot of aloe in it, friends. The aloe vera in it, that gel. You're going to conquer with me. So like if you've been long on this channel, like I highly speak about aloe vera because I've been using it ever since I started taking care of my natural hair. So like aloe works wonders because it will benefit your hair. It will strengthen your hair. Aloe has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids and is rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. These play part in healthy hair follicles and it will also control greasy hair. So aloe has enzymes also that break down fats and will get rid of any extra oil sebum on the scalp. And it's also beneficial if you have an itchy scalp, which is seborrheic dermatitis is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. So research has significantly shown that it decreases the scaliness and itchiness associated with it. So aloe will also protect your hair from UV damage. So radiation that comes from the sun, UV exposures, can cause your hair to lose shine and color and make it rough, less elastic, leading to breakage. So the amount of protection from UV light protection depends on the type of hair. So friends, like make sure that you cleanse your aloe and remove the spiky, edges, and we are ready now to cut it. So I'm going to cut in 5 pieces, and then I'm going to use a spoon to scoop the gel. So subscribe to our channel, give this video a like and comment in the section below, friends. So like I really appreciate you, friends. When you subscribe, when you comment, this means a lot, friends. Like YouTube will recommend our videos to a bigger audience so that we can reach more people. So in as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow, friends. Share this video, comment in the section below, and give this video a like. And make sure that you watch this video until to the end because you will know how to make aloe cream, with only 3 ingredients that will boost your hair growth. So another important compound in aloe is called alanine. Is a chemical compound in a plant, is a primary factor in promoting hair growth. And it can also help with you have alopecia because it has been used to improve hair healthy and less breakage, which contributes to hair growth. So you can actually buy your own aloe or you can make your own at home. So if you are buying, make sure that you look for products that has 100% of aloe without any added ingredients like fragrances and alcohol. You can also extract gel from aloe vera leaves like we are doing, so you can grow it as a home plant. So subscribe to our channel, give this video a like and comment in the section below. So we'll continue scooping the gel with a spoon. As you can see, like this type of aloe has a lot of gel in it. So of course, like I mentioned earlier on, there are more than 450 species of aloe vera. So of course, I have about 5 species, and this type I got it recently from a friend. So now we are done. That is how our aloe looks like. So what we are going to do now, we are going to put it in a blender and we are going to blend. If you don't have a blender, probably you can beat it and then sieve it using a sieve. So of course, for these leaves, we are going to dry them naturally, and then we are going to make powder out of it. So I've done a video on how you can make aloe vera powder. I'm going to link it in the description box below. So now we are putting our aloe in the blender. Yes, so continue watching this video, friend. Don't go away, because you are going to know and see what type of ingredients we use to make it so creamy. So blend for at least 5 minutes. Yes, but of course, usually I don't like blended aloe. It depends with what I want to achieve. So in this case, we wanted some aloe vera juice. So if you want the gel, usually I don't blend if I want the gel. So now we've gotten a bowl and a sieve. We are sieving, but of course that foam you are seeing, it will disappear after a few moments. So continue watching, friends. Like I've been using aloe in my regimen for the scalp. Aloe is also good. It's beneficial. Like you won't have any issues with the scalp. It treats like eczema, on the scalp, dandruff, a lot of issues. Actually, I've shared quite a number of videos. I'm going to link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. And the advantage with aloe is that it's going to moisturize your hair without having build up, and your scalp as well, without clogging the pores. So that is how it looks like. As you can see, the foams have disappeared. So it's more like a lighter jelly. As you can see, there's that mucilage. Yes. So now at this point, we are going to use our glycerin. So 4 grams of our glycerin. So glycerin is known to be the most effective humectant, and such it draws moisture to the hair and scalp. Additionally, it helps to create barrier to prevent moisture from leaving the hair follicles. It has a small molecular size which moisturizes dry skin. It will strengthen hydration. Actually is an essential defense against hair breakage. So optimal hydration and moisturization can maintain strength, healthy, and promote the appearance of your hair. So it also targets frizzy hair. Glycerin reduces hair hydration, frizz, and breakage. So it is very, very moisturizing. So another ingredient we use is guar gum. So guar gum will actually increase product viscosity. It will prevent water loss. It improves hair manageability by reducing tangling in both wet and dry strands. It also hydrates the hair and prevent against dryness. So 5% of our guar gum. You can also use xanthan gum if you don't have guar gum. So it will also act as the thickener, and as an emulsifier. It will actually stabilize, it will actually thicken, moisturizes, and soften and conditions. So make sure that you hydrate your guar gum with glycerin, and make sure that you mix it well so that it has smooth, consistent. Subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. Share this video, and if you're enjoying this video, comment in the section below, friends, and give this video a like. So as you can see, it is well combined. Like, it's so smooth and creamy, as you can see. Yes, so it worked so well for our hair, friends, I'm telling you. So that is how the final product looks like after mixing it. So now we are going to put it in our 91 gram of our aloe vera. So I'm pouring it in there in a glass bowl. As you can see, you can mix it, but of course we're going to use a handheld blender. Yes, you are going to see how it will come out. Like it was very creamy and very soft. Yes, so at this point, we are adding it bit by bit. Please subscribe to our channel, comment in the section below, friends. So I'm going to transfer it in our beaker because I want to blend so that it doesn't like split all over. That's the reason why I'm transferring it in our beaker. So we are going to use a handheld blender, as you can see. We are going to blend until it is well combined. As you can see, it is coming up well and it's so smoothie and creamy. And we are going to add actually 1% of our natural preservative. I'm going to use Yuxi 712K preservative. So our aloe was actually 90 grams, then 1% of our preservative. This is a very, very important step. You don't want to skip this step unless if probably you just want to use it for once and then you are done with it. But this will actually last us for probably 5 applications depending on the length of your hair and the thickness of your hair. So we are going to blend, and I'm going to scoop the other products which are on the side so that they can be well combined, so with our preservative. So comment in the section below, friends, or if you have tried out, aloe creamy moisturizer with guar gum, comment in the section below. Or if you are going to try out, comment in the section below, friends. So like, this is all natural products that is going to moisturize your hair. It will actually get rid of frizzy hair, and it will actually reduce tangles. It will actually hydrate your hair, and it will prevent breakage. So in as much as you want to grow your hair, you need to be on the go with moisturizing, because when you moisturize, it will prevent breakage. But if your hair is breaking, you won't be able to see length, and I won't be able to see the fullness of your hair. So that is our final product, friends. Subscribe to our channel. Like, I love how it came out very creamy, with a natural color, that yellowish color. I love it so much. So it is that time now to use it in my hair. Yes, friends. So subscribe to our channel, friends. So like, I'm always ahead of moisture because I'm trying to grow out my hair, friends, and my hair has really improved. It has drastically improved, as you can see, and prayer is one of my priority, because the Bible says without me you cannot do anything. And I'm actually in a challenge of 1 month of Clav. Like, Clav is been working well for me. In fact, I did post a video yesterday. I'll link it in the description box below so that you can check it out. As you can see, like, if you've been long on this channel, you concur with me that our hair has improved a lot, a great deal, and it's actually thicker and it is darker in color, friends. So continue watching this video, friends. Yes, and comment in the section below. Give this video a like, share this video. Yes, so once I finish like applying my creamy aloe moisturizer, I'm going in with our oil. So you can use any oil that you have, but I'm going to use a stimulating herbal hair growth oil, which has peppermint, aloe vera. It has some lavender. It has some jojoba oil. It has some apricot oil, coconut oil. Yes, I'm going to link other videos which I've done on a stimulating herbal hair growth, or I'll link them in the description box below. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel, friends. Click that red button and subscribe now. So our hair is also so moisturized. So I'm just going to do a simple flat twist there so that we can put that section away, and then I'll go to the other section. So if you want, you can actually do it in smaller sections, whatever your preference is, provided that you are applying the creamy moisturizer, aloe cream moisturizer to every hair strand. Yes, so like, friends, your hair is beautiful no matter what state. Like, enjoy it, love it. You need to style it, and all hair is beautiful no matter what it is. So you don't need to be ashamed of your hair. Like, it's beautiful. Yes, so you can check other videos which I have done. They're very informative, and they're going to help you to grow your natural hair. But of course, I'm on a hair journey, friends, because I want my hair to grow. Yes, and it's growing, it's coming up so well. So I've shared quite a number of videos on how you can actually take care of your natural hair. I'm going to link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. They're very, very, very informative. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you come back and watch for more videos. So I do share videos on Crass-like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how to make DIY products. Sometimes we go an extra mile to formulate natural and body products. And if you want to have flawless skin, all this information is on this platform. And we also share about healthy lifestyle. We have done quite a number of videos on healthy lifestyle, and we've also done videos on Crass-like lifestyle, friends. So without Crass, we are nothing, friends. If you're struggling to with anything, all these videos are here. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.